A-Safe is a good quality, good price, professional look, and to avoid real impacts to the concrete and to protect your building for sure. We are OptimaT, so we have a lot of different departments. We are in the wood, we are in the metal, we are powder coating, we are electromechanical, we are also medical assembling things, we have a clean room. We are with around 600 people of employees. We decided to build last year a new warehouse, which you are here in.
We started working with A-Safe. We were looking for a partner to secure and save our building, but also the people who are working building. We are looking for something visible, something strong, and something that lasts a long time.
We have an own technical department who can make a lot of things by themselves, but nevertheless we chose A-Safe.
Steel barriers, for example, they don't last long. That's the difference between A-Safe products and steel barriers or concrete barriers.
Before in other buildings we have a competitor of A-Safe, but we changed to A-Safe because of the good price, because of the good quality, the good connection with the sales, all the technical people who can explain everything very well, so that we could make the correct choose and correct judgments of which things we should install.
In the workshop site, but also outside, we had steel barriers and concrete barriers, but when you hit a concrete barrier, it's broken. When you replace it with A-Safe and you have an impact, you don't have to replace it. It still is good, it's very visible, so the number of impacts is lower than before.
We decided to install to protect our concrete walls and so on, and to avoid impacts of the forklifts, so that everything is safe. Also the looks of A-Safe is a very professional look. We need to have good impressions to our customers and so on, so that's why we choose for A-Safe.
I'm Florence, I work at the warehouse of OptimaT. I load and unload trucks with the electrical pallet trucks or with the forklift. Since the A-Safe products were installed, I feel more safe, so I can work faster, more efficient. When I drive the forklift and I drive it backwards, I can't hit the wall because of the A-Safe products. I can see them very well, so it's more safe for me and my colleagues.
At OptimaT, safety is priority number one, and A-Safe helps us to reach that goal.